Hello, my dear young and energetic Physioton Army. A very warm welcome to Diksha Vedantu YouTube channel. I'm your master teacher Neha ma'am. In today's session, we'll be discussing about 5 steps to choose your dream career. So you may be wondering that 10th is over, what I should take. Should I take arts? Should I take science or commerce? You'll be wondering about that. And you'll be thinking that what I should do in my future, which career should I choose. So I have brought today's session which will help you to decide your career in a very unique way. Okay, so stay with the video completely. If you like the video, just hit the like button and share the videos with your friends. Okay, let me start the session, and this session is going to be really interesting, so stay with it. Okay, let me start. Whenever we see the Shark Tank, okay, we think that I want to become entrepreneur. If you see a scientist making some discovery, you think that I should be a scientist. If you see some IAS officer going in the car, you'll think that I should be IAS officer. This is natural, this is common. Whenever we see some great personalities, we admire to become like them. And let me tell you, what is really your calling, what you want to choose in your future. Okay, so let's start today's session. Let's decide, should you become entrepreneur, scientist, doctor, engineer, or what? Okay, let's start today's session. Let me enter. Okay, so basic tendency. Let's start with a basic tendency. What is this basic tendency? When you're small, from the young age, you'll be having some drawn, okay, you'll be feeling some pull towards something. It may be dancing, singing, painting, or anything, okay. It may be very normal things, but we'll be not knowing that, okay. You know about the Punit Rajkumar, okay, a great actor of Kannada film industry, right? So from the young age, from the childhood, he was good with acting, okay. He was very famous in acting. But what he did after that, when he grew up, he left acting and he explored at different fields, and that's not bad. Okay, I'm not telling you if your tendency is towards something, just stick to that. No, exploring is important, right? But be aware of what is your natural tendency also. Okay, he was good with acting. After that, he went and explored other things. Then he found out that he is not meant for those things. His calling is in acting. Okay, acting is the thing which he can do the best. Right? Again, he came to the film industry, to the acting career. So this is the thing you have to remember. If we go back to Sachin Tendulkar, so we know that he is a good player, right? In the so young age, he was a great player. How was that possible? That was his calling from his childhood. Okay, from childhood, we'll be having some knowledge, some good at some things. So keep that in mind. Okay, and without knowledge or be mad behind it. You may not know it. Okay, I was also not knowing that I was good. I'll be a teacher. Okay, I used to teach as a time pass. I used to do initially, not now. Okay, so but that was my calling. That was I was good at that rather than anything else. If I do something else, I think I was not able to do like this. Right, getting the thing what I'm saying. So if there is, so keep it. If you don't know what is the thing, if you think, ma'am, I don't know what I have, that kind of thing, that's okay. That's not a big deal. Okay, you'll be fearless towards these things. If you like something, you'll be not thinking of time. Time is going, no, money is not coming, anything. You'll be crazy behind that. So that kind of anything, if you have, just go and explore that. What are the career option in that field and what you can do in your future, and go and explore about that. So particularly I'll be telling in this video is exploration, because without exploring you cannot know what is good for you, right? So yeah, let's move forward. Okay, what you're good at and what you love to do. As I said, the basic tendency you're good at or something that you love to do, whatever time, as I said, it doesn't matter to you. You just flow in that state. You just enjoy the moment, that particular work. So choose that kind of career, because career is not a thing which you will be doing for some period of time. It is going to stay with you for your lifelong, right? You cannot select something which you don't like. It will be very bad. Working so many hours in which you don't like will be like a hell, right? Life. But if you're working in some industry, some industry or some company which you love the most, you'll enjoy every day, right? So you may see what is your calling, what are you passionate about. Okay, as in Three Idiots, you saw his parents wanted him to be an engineering, but his passion, his love was towards photography. So that's okay, right? There's a good earning in every field if you're the best. Okay, if you're doing some premier jobs but you're not best in that, you don't get any worth, right? So that's not the thing. Okay, selecting the premier things, yeah, trending or the which is in scope, that is has to be chosen. But it's not that if you go to some trending thing, always you'll make money, because if you're worst, you're not useful there also. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, yeah. Moving forward, you never get bored. If you do that thing, if you do that work, okay, you'll never feel bored. Arey, why I am doing this from morning? You'll never feel tired. You'll enjoy, because that does not drain your energy, that will give you energy instead. Okay, so find that kind of thing. Okay, you don't wait for holidays. You don't think that, hey, when I'll get the holiday, when I'll get rid of this work. You'll not think about that. That kind of passion, that kind of zeal, that kind of enthusiasm you have to find out. Your strength. Our common favorite destination includes, okay, this is not about the thing. Okay, let's see. Strength. What I mean by the strength is Lata Mangeshkar. We know her for her singing. Her strength is her voice. Rabindranath Tagore, we know him for his writing. His strength is writing. Okay, so find out your strength, which can influence people, which can impact the world. What is your strength? Is it voice? Is it your writing? Is it something else, your creativity? Or is it your knowledge? Is it your science? What is that? Explore it. Okay, and it's not that you'll explore, you'll get it. No, it takes time, and that's fine. You're just in 10th, you're just in 11th, 9th. That's okay. It's not that you should find quickly. Okay, aram se you can explore. That's okay, right? Okay. Moving forward, okay, a bonus tip. Okay, it's not needed that you should figure it out now, but be on the way. I'm telling the points before they appearing on the slide. Okay, as I said, it's not needed that you should find it now itself. You should be just on that way. Okay, I'm not telling you that I made this video on career. Just sit now, write 5 points and decide your career. That's not the way. Because we cannot fix anything, right? With the time, as we evolve, our interest changes, our way of thinking changes, and our career decision may also change. And that's not bad too, right? But be on the way of finding something which you are good at. Right? 10 years from now, make sure you can see that you choose your life. You did not settle for it. Very important. Very important thing. Why? After some years, you should not say that because of some responsibilities, because of unawareness, I chose the wrong thing. Okay? You should not say that. You should say that I'm happy that I have chosen the thing which I want to live the life. Okay, there will be multiple suggestions coming from all your friends, cousins, and whatever relatives and all. Do this, that is better, this is better. Just listen to them. Okay, but do what you like, because ultimately it's you who want to lead the life, right? So be aware of that things also. Explore. As I said, exploration is important. Ma'am, how to explore? You're telling, ma'am is telling explore, explore, explore. But how to do that, right? So explore by information. So initially, there used to be very limited career options such as teacher, doctor, engineer, and some less career options. But nowadays, due to the technology, due to the science, inventions and all, there are lots of career options. There is no boundary to the careers, and there are good pay scale also at every field. So what is required? Information is lacking. We only know about some particular careers, but we don't know about all the careers, right? Nowadays, we can see content creators, graphic designers, voiceovers, many fields exist in the creative fields and also in different fields also. So go and explore them. Without exploring, you will not know which is good for you. right? So how can you do that? You can choose some courses. If you're interested in photography, in these holidays, choose a photography course. If you're interested in coding, get a coding course, a small courses which you can do within your holidays. Or if you're interested in something else, just go and opt for a course. You'll get to know that is it your cup of tea? Is it that you really want to do for your lifetime? You'll get to know that. So go for a course, or else read some books related to it. Read some books related to people in that field. So how it ignites. Once you decide the course, and if you like the course, if you want to be in that particular field, read about someone who is in that field. So that will give you motivation to move forward in the field. Getting the thing? You can do internships, and to do internship, it's not mandatory to do the graduations. Okay, during when I was in graduation first year, I had done my internship. So that's all are available. So there is a website called as Internshala where you can go and check it out, and there are many other websites also. So be exploring. Okay, whenever you explore, you'll get some or the other thing information you'll be getting in the social media, digital media age, right? So do that. Okay, do that. Be free. Don't strain yourself. Enjoy the life. Explore the life. Okay, don't restrict yourself. Be open to the things. And last but not the least, the most important thing, what you should not do to while choosing your career, that is also extremely important. Okay, what you should not do. Don't get influenced by, but get inspired. What this means, by seeing somebody, some great personalities, you should not get influenced. There's a difference between being influenced and inspired. Influenced is just seeing the outer glory. Someone is coming in a big car, you're just seeing that big car, the outer glory. See what is the work done behind that? What's the struggle went behind that? If you want to be an IAS officer, just don't only see the good things or what they are getting. Understand what they have to face, what they have to work daily. Okay, so you'll get inspired then. So that will be the real thing. Just seeing the outer glory, if you get influenced, that will stay for very few time, because when you'll feel any difficulty in that field, you'll just go away out of that. If you're really getting inspired, then you'll face all the difficulties existing in the field and you'll move forward. So get inspired, not influenced. Moving forward, true happiness is not in show off, it's in satisfaction. As I said, you must see, it's not like by doing this particular job, I'm show offing, okay, I did this. It's not that. It is not complete thing, right? If you get satisfaction by your work, without showing anybody anything, you're happy with your work, so that's great, right? So that's great than anything else. Only money is not your career, and career is not equal to money. Nowadays, the statement of career has been just restricted to money. Wherever I get the money, that is my career. It's not the calling. Okay, what you'll do entire life, you'll be just gathering the money. I'm not saying money is not important. It's extremely important to lead a good life. But it's not the end of the life, right? It's just a part. It's not complete life. It's just a part of life. There's a life beyond that also. So just to run behind money, don't close other beautiful things that exist in your life. Just be with them also. Okay? Just go and explore the things out, because exploration is very important. Without exploration, you'll be not knowing what exists, right? Go and explore the things. Beautiful things exist in this world, so explore them. You'll reach to your good place, right? So yeah, this was about today's video. Wherever your calling is, whatever you want to do, have that zeal, have that motivation, and work towards it. You'll definitely achieve to your goal dream. Whatever you want to be, entrepreneur, engineer, scientist, doctor, I'm just specifying only very few. That doesn't only mean that only these careers exist. There is very broad range of careers existing in this world. Go and explore them. Talking few things about me, actually. When I was done with my BSc, majority of the people will be telling you to take the IT fields. I'm not telling it is bad, right? All the fields are good, everything is good. But it's not your calling, then what you'll do there? right? For me, it's not, I will not enjoy that much sitting in front of a computer and typing whole day. It's boring task for me. But coming here, speaking with your children, getting your love, getting the interactions is that which motivates me. Okay, I'm not fed up with this career. I don't feel, why I should go to this class again. I never feel that. I'm always energetic. I'm always interested to come here to speak with you, to share the things with you. That gives me energy. So I have chosen this career. And yeah, be aware. What finally I want to tell you is, be aware. Don't get anything in your life. Don't give anything in your life. Just closing your eyes. Keep your eyes open. Okay, that's all. That was about today's video. I hope this video helped you. Just be aware, be energetic, explore the things, discover the things, enjoy the life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet again in the next session. Bye-bye.